shall we wait for a couple of minutes? Can anyone? Hello, is I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we start the
Start the
session or shall
session.
we? Okay.
Start the session.
Okay, ma. We will start. So already we know that we are the people of race who are here to guide you for placements and skill development and so on. So as a first step, we have started this session to give last minute tips to you on Capgemini. So I think many of the people have Capgemini exam on tomorrow, right? Yeah. Actually, we have planned it earlier, but due to some hectic works for us, we have came at last minute. Sorry for that. And we'll move on to the recruitment process. So how the Capgemini is going to recruit. So Capgemini conducts a written test before the technical interview. So in written test there will be 4 rounds. So the first round is pseudocode. We will go bit into it later. So first round is pseudocode. Then second round is English communication, and the third round is game based aptitude test, and fourth round is behavioral ability. And after completion of this written test, you will have a technical interview followed by HR interview. Right? Anyone have doubt in this process? Actually, I want some response from your side so that I can go a little bit inner, right?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, okay.
No,
In this all rounds, where Sudoku, English communication, behavioral, and game based, each round is a what we can say. Each round is a elimination round. So from each round, you will have to complete
'Chiro, your voice breaking. Actually, not audible.
I mean, after English communication, you have to go for game-based test, and then there will be behavioral ability. So,
Chiranjeevi,
yeah, yeah.
actually, whatever you said before, that
Hmm.
voice is not audible. So, that can you repeat again?
Yeah, so you
Start.
want about the recruitment process, right?
Yeah, that thing,
Okay.
Chiru.
Yeah, the complete process is a step-by-step process. So you can't switch over to other sections, right? So you have to be complete the first section, then you have to move to the second section, then to the third section like this. First, you have to clear Sudoku test, then you have to move on to the English communication test. After you are clearing the cutoff mark, note this point. You have to clear the cutoff mark, right? Then English communication test, then game based test and behavioral ability. Then you will have technical interview and HR interview maybe on the same day or on another day, maybe in 2 days, right? Then we will go some bit little more. Yeah. So Sudoku test. So what are the topics covered in Sudoku? So there will be, I think many of you know about Sudoku, right? Sudoku, sometimes Sudoku will be completely a program like question, like an algorithm. Sometimes it will be like simple English language. So they will cover topics like understanding of programming logics and basics programs on C and C++. Moreover, they follow C. Sometimes if they want to increase the difficulty of the test, they use C++, and there will be concepts on data structures. So data structures means there will be not much difficult concepts, like there will be some questions like what is the time complexity for merge sort, and what are the least method or fastest method to search some elements, like is it easy with binary search or breadth first search, like that questions. And some questions like C programs, we have questions like very simple questions like there will be a small program like a function like factorials or prime numbers, and we have some conditional operator questions, etc. So my suggestion, so how to clear this Sudoku topic is, you have to read the question carefully. The question is very simple. Yeah, the question is very simple. You have to do step-by-step calculations. Very simple. There will be only some logic. You have to find that logic. That's it. And this session is this round is completely MCQ run. You don't have to write any new answer. There will be answers in the options. So you can also find the answers by using options. So it will be easier, I think. Then my suggestion is you attempt data structures first, because data structures questions are completely theoretical questions, and it is very easy to complete those questions very quickly. And it's a main tip. Keep in mind that follow the time clock which is running, because you have to complete those questions in a required time. So first complete the data structures question. There will be 25 questions in this section, and data structures consists of 10 questions, and programming logic and C programs and C++ programs, we have 15 questions. So complete those 10 questions very quickly. You will take just 5 minutes for complete those 10 questions, because those questions are completely theoretical questions, right? So you can complete those questions very quickly. Then move on to the programming questions. Take a pen and paper and do some calculations, like, so what is going on in first step, then after second step, after third step, write an execution part, so that you can clear those section very easily. So shall we have doubts after this session, or for every discuss the doubts, guys? So for every round, shall we discuss the doubts, or after completion of all rounds, shall we discuss the doubts? Yeah, your audience. Guys, I am audible?
After completion of all rounds.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Then, so then second round is English communication. So English ability. Some of people says that English ability is very, but up to my consideration, or what this survey I have taken from last year, English communication is little bit tough, because there will be many questions, like it will confuse us. You think that this answer is correct, but the answer will not be a correct answer. There will be some other answer, similar answer. So you have to focus more on those English ability questions. The topics which all will be covered in English ability are sentence correction, sentence completion, means there will be some fill in the blanks. You have to add some prepositions or adjectives or adverbs, etc. And active and passive voice. Right, so I think many of you know about active voice and passive voice. I don't want to repeat those things. If you want, you can search over internet for some examples on active voice and passive voice. If anyone wants some tips, we will discuss in the end of the session, right? Then direct and indirect speeches, same. Then parajumbles. Parajumbles means they will give some sentence. You have to arrange in a order, that is flow of order. There will be, sometimes there will be only 4 sentences, sometimes there will be 5 sentences. You have to follow those order, and you have to form a story. It seems not a story, like story or statement, or you should follow a some complete sentence. Then reading compression. Reading compression means there will be a paragraph, and followed by the paragraph you have some questions which you have to answer. In reading compression, most of the answers will be from the paragraph itself. You have to focus. You have to read the complete paragraph. Some of the people thought that the reading compression very large paragraph. How can we read and how can we answer those questions? But it is very easy to answer the reading compression question, and this is this session. I mean, this is topic in English ability where you can gain more marks, right? And there will be synonyms and antonyms. And synonyms and antonyms, there will be a sentence they'll underline one word. If you read those sentence for 2 or 3 times, you will get the meaning of that word. And what is synonym? Synonym is the similar word of that word, and antonym is the opposite word of that word. And you have 4 options, so you can compare. And for English ability, there will be sufficient time. My suggestion is, first you complete active and passive voice questions, then go for direct and indirect speeches, then para jumbles, synonyms, antonyms. At last, make a time for at least 7 minutes for reading compression. As of last year question paper, there will be 2 reading compressions. Like you will get 8 questions. Keep in mind 8 questions. At least you have to maintain. You have to spend at least 1 minute for each question, right? So make use of the time. My suggestion is take at least 10 minutes for paragraph reading, right? Reading compression, right? Then game based application. It was really a wonderful round, I think so, because you will get very good logic questions in this round, and this round you can clear very easily. But this round requires many practice. So you can go through many YouTube videos about game-based aptitude test. There will be different types of questions. I will explain about those topics like deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking, digit challenge, motion challenge, switch challenge. I will give some examples. What is deductive logical thinking? Deductive logical thinking means there will be some shapes like triangle, square, circle, rhombus. Sometimes there will be 4x4 square, sometimes there will be 5x5 square. They will follow a certain rule. So you have to find out those rules, and you have to arrange those symbols in the particular positions and check those symbols many number of times, right? If what the symbol you have chosen is correct, then that line will be completed, or else you can make changes for any number of times. My suggestion is, whatever do, if there will be a blank, try all the shapes, okay, so that at least any one shape will suit for that line. So with that, there will be reference. You will get a complete reference line. With that line, you go for another line. So there will be 4x4 matrix question or 5x5 matrix, maximum 5x5 matrix. Okay. Then what is inductive logical thinking? Inductive logical thinking means for 3 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, you will get a position of a dot at somewhere. You have to remember that dot position. After 3 seconds, there will be many number of dots. You have to choose the exact dot what you have been seen earlier, right? And digit challenge. Digit challenge is very easy. Actually, it is a mathematical equation. There will be some blanks comprises of some symbols like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and there will be an answer. You have to make, you have to use 0 to 9 digits to make equal to those answers. That like means you have to make LHS equal to RHS, right? In some cases, he will give LHS side. You have to find RHS side. Okay, it's a completely hit and miss method. You have to check with different digits, right? Then what about motion challenge? Motion challenge, I think you have come across mobile games like Candy Crush, also. So you have to you have to change some symbols so that you have to find a way. You have to complete the start and the finish end by moving those symbols. You have to move in very few steps. Okay. Then switch challenge. Switch challenge means there will be 2 sections. So one is first and second one is last section, and middle you have a switch like structures, and at the top you have some symbols. In the same way, in the last section you have some symbols. You have to arrange. Let us take first section consists of a square, then there is a triangle, and square, triangle, rhombus, circle. In the last session, it starts from circle, rhombus, triangle, square. So you have to do in first section. You should mark their positions. Like first you have triangle, right? On triangle you choose as 1, and square you choose as 2, and third rhombus you choose as 3. So you just assume those positions. And for circle, choose 4 as its position. In the same way, write in this last section. So for circle, it is in first section, but according to the first, it is in first place. But according to the first section, it is in the 4th place. So write 4 in its top. Okay. Then there will be square, right? Square, in first section the square's position is third, I think. So choose third. Then triangle. In first section triangle position is 2. So mark it as 2. Then rectangle. So in first section the position of rectangle is 1. Mark it as 1. Then the answer will be 4, 3, 2, 1. So in the middle of this section, the switches must be arranged in this manner, 4, 3, 2, 1, to get this last section. When we give input as first section, you have to get output as last section. For that, what are the changes? How are the switches you have to be arranged? Those will be in the middle section, right? Then, okay, behavioral ability. So behavioral ability is a non-elimination round. Got it? And there will be no webcam for this section. And this section completely depends on your behavior. While answering those questions, please keep it in mind that those questions will be sent to your technical interviewer. So based on those, whatever the answers you have given, he will ask questions on your behavioral ability. So how this section will be? There will be one statement, and there will be some 5 options based on agree, disagree, like strongly agree, moderate agree, neutral, moderate disagree, strongly disagree. Let us take an example. What we can take, okay. I always think of my colleague's personal life. I got the question. I always think about my colleague's personal life. You have to give those answers. If you are able to, if you think about your colleague's personal life, if you agree, you have to keep strongly agree. No, moderate agree. Neutral, sometimes it may happen, so you choose neutral. If you don't want to know about his personal life, just go with disagree, and choose based on your behavior, because the interviewer checks the ability by using those questions. And there will be from last year question paper, there will be 100 questions, and you have 30 minutes to answer those questions. Don't need, you can complete those questions in very 20 minutes, because very simple questions on your, there will be more scenarios. So how to do, how will you act on this particular situation, like that will be, and behavior will be, right? Okay. Then if you complete the first 3 sections, Sudoku, English ability, and game based round, then behavior round is not an elimination round. So if you complete that game based round, you are eligible for interview, right? And sometimes the interview happens on the same day or on another day, but the interview will be very soon after this written test clearance. So you will get a mail that you have cleared the written test, and the interview will be in very soon. So after completion, if you clear this exam, start your preparation for interviews, right? I think I have come across many topics, right? Yeah. So do you have any queries? Actually, I thought to invite some people who have already cleared Capgemini. Actually, I have cleared Capgemini. So I also want to call some of my friends to discuss on those topics, but they are somewhat busy with their schedules. Actually, this meeting has been taken very quick basis. So sorry for that. So I think I'll be a best person to answer your queries about how to and some tips and your doubt. So I can be a good person to clear your doubts. So as of my mind, so shall we start queries? So do you have any queries? Hello?
Sir,
Yeah.
so can we use pen and paper?
Yeah, ma, you can use pen and paper. But you have to show that pen and paper to the camera, because there will be some proctor from the Capgemini company. They will check if you are watching the pen and paper in very below, say, they will thought that you are using some other electronic device. So make use your pen and paper in front of the camera.
Okay, sir.
Actually, I like more doubts. So you people, after any session, you have to ask doubts. You have to hit this host with many doubts. So that's the one who takes the session, the speaker, should afraid of your doubts. So I want more doubts, guys. Please.
Chiru, some of the people are posting their queries
Okay,
in a chat box.
chart. Yeah, Vamsi, can you read those charts? I think it will be better because I can't come out of my screen.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, Chiru. Sir, should we all 4 games at first, or should we can select one by one after completion of each game?
No, Vamsi. There will be a stepwise. Some people get inductive thinking as their first game. Some people will get switch challenge as their first game. Some people will get digit challenge as their first game. So we can't move in those sections. So you have to follow step by step manner.
Sir, we didn't have any coding questions.
Okay. It doesn't have any hands-on programming. So completely it will be MCQ questions.
Sir, is test will be in linear mode or any jumble?
No, ma, it's completely linear mode. So I have already said that it is an adaptive test. You have to complete the
Once
first.
we came across that question, we can't go again.
No, you can go.
Okay, sir.
Because last
Another
year
query.
they have 1 minute, Vamsi. Last year they have used CoCubes as a platform. So in CoCubes you have option to move from one question to another question. But let us see this time how it will be. Yeah,
Okay.
Vamsi.
Yeah, so we can skip questions. We can skip.
Yeah. So who is that, Vamsi?
Sonali.
Sonali. Yeah, what is your doubt, ma? Okay, Vamsi. Shall we go for another query?
Yeah, survey can skip questions. Means that if you want to skip, you can choose any one of the option, because of there is no negative marking for question. Okay. No need to skip anything, any question, and you can directly choose any one option you have you want to do, and no need to skip anything. Okay. That's what it is.
Yeah.
సార్ మళ్ళీ
Yeah,
ఇప్పుడు
okay.
ముందు పోయి నెక్స్ట్ రావాలి సార్ మళ్ళీ అంటే ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కావాలి సార్ మళ్ళీ
Yeah, ma.
You can.
Actually, last year they have followed CoCubes as their platform. In CoCubes, you have chance to move from one question to another question. But if they follow Mitail as a platform, there is no chance for moving from one question to another question. You have to complete the first question, then you have to go for second question, and you can't come from second question to first question. So it depends upon the platform, and that will be completely hiddenable. Like they will not open up which platform they are using. So only you can get live experience when we start our exam, right?
One more thing, you should follow the instructions that are mentioned in the before the starting exam, because of mostly the instructions will be helpful to how to write your exam, okay? And no need to skip that instructions. Okay, so many of the students are uh, like that mistake will be happen, so that no need.
Yeah, it's your first rule. You have to read completely the rules of that exam. You have to completely read the instructions, so you cannot make any mistake. And do keep in mind one thing: this online test, if you do a single mistake, there is a chance for closing of the whole exam. Okay, so please read the instructions carefully. Take few more minutes. Take 1 or 2 minutes extra for reading the instructions. Right? Then once in next Friday.
And also one more thing, the complete exam will be happen like automated mode, so that if you do anything mistake, it will be directly closed, because of this will be happened by the machine only. Any person not proctored and he is doing something like not mistake, it's not by manually, it will be happen like that automatically, so that we can't do anything if exam closed, okay?
Yeah,
No need to do.
AI powered platforms, artificial intelligence powered platforms completely. So completely it's a mission works background. Okay? So don't do any mistake. Please
Yeah.
write exams carefully.
And as a first round pseudocode, I think all of you know about pseudocode, how to write, and what is the syntax of pseudocode, how will be show, how it will be look like. And anybody having doubts regarding this pseudocode, and are still doubt about this, this is like simple code, like there will be one code and we have to find out output, like that. Can anybody? If anybody having doubt regarding the pseudocode, because of pseudocode is the mandatory, like if you clear the pseudocode round, so that you will be moved to the another round, otherwise you will be gets out from the exam, okay? And anybody knows about the pseudocode, and some tricks also there in the pseudocode, means that in pseudocode mostly written in the English language only, so there is no errors will be happen, and only we have to find out how the algorithm will be happen, and we have to find out the uh, total math process, how will be happened, and then we have to find out the output, okay? There is no need to follow the errors in the program, like they simply mention that insert value into, like, but in the real program there is no syntax for the insert values into the program, okay? You can't okay, that's what happened. And if you want to know about deep about the pseudocode, you can ask me and ask us, we will be helpful, we will be help to you, okay?
Yeah, Hemsundar, I want to add one more thing about the pseudocode. There will be some pseudocodes, like there will be more number of lines. That is, some pseudocodes will be 20 lines, 30 lines. So you choose first small pseudocodes. That is, there will be some pseudocodes like 5 to 6 lines or less than 10 lines. First choose these pseudocodes and then you go to larger pseudocodes. So you will be having time for solving these larger pseudocodes. And one more thing, it will be the exam will be in a superset platform, I think so. If it is in that case, they will be switching possible within that section only. So you can attempt first question and you can come to the last question, and also then you can go to the first question again. So there is a possibility in switching the within that section only. So take a break for each section for at least 5 minutes, so you will be relaxed. Suppose if the pseudocode round is got over, then you take 5 minutes break, drink some water, and come again and sit, and then go to the English section. So because of that, you will be getting some relaxed. It will be no problem because
Sir,
of that.
between the exam, can we go to drink water, sir?
Yeah, you can. Only after that section is over, you can go and drink some water. While going in a section, please
Not like
don't.
that, sir. In the section, can we drink water?
No,
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 no.
no, no, no,
You
no.
can.
Within the section, don't go. After finishing the section, suppose you are writing pseudocode, you are writing pseudocode, please don't go for a break. After submitting this pseudocode, will be prompting a message like that you have to start English exam. Only after clicking on that prompting button, you will be taken to the English exam. So in between that, you can go to the break, but not in the middle of the going session.
And while writing the exam, that machine will be take snaps within the 2 seconds repeatedly, so that if you move to the uh, side of the laptop, it will be taken as you are not available in the examination, so that it will be closed automatically without giving error like warning. Okay,
Okay.
so don't make this type of mistakes.
One more
And
thing.
one more thing, if you want to use pen and paper, and at the time you have to put that pen and paper in front of the camera, like straight way, not like that. You have not like that. Your eyes are moved downside and uh, solving the problem. It will be makes some interrupt to the machine, and it will be closed automatically exam. Okay, that is the most probably happen mistake, and don't make this type of mistakes. Okay, and if you want to use that type of tools, you have to follow that instructions carefully. Okay.
Yeah. One more thing. The exam will goes on up to 2.5 hours. For me, it is 2.5 hours. It went on. So in middle, I required some breaks. So I took a break between pseudocode and English. About 5 minutes, I took a break and I went for my mannerisms like drinking water and going for washrooms. So you too took break between this. Don't stress yourself. Please take a break after submitting this pseudocode round for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, and also for completing your English exam, you will be prompted that you have been qualified, means you will be taken to the next tab, that is you can start your game based aptitude. So there you can choose. Before clicking on that start assessment button, you take some 5 minutes rest and come back, relax, and again attempt. It will be free for you and will be
And
relaxing.
don't stuck any one of the question, because of if you don't know about the answer, you can directly go to the another question. And if you stuck at the one question, it will be lost your score. If you for suppose if you have time of 5 minutes, at that time you have to move to the only simple questions, like it will take in 30 seconds type of questions. At that time it will be helpful to clear the cutoff marks. Otherwise, if you stuck at the any one of the question, it will be lost for the section. Okay, so make sure you have to spend 30 seconds for the question. So in the pseudo code, like data structures questions or any small questions, you have to spend only 30 seconds. Okay, after that, if any question like 20 lines of code, at that time you have to spend 1.5 minutes like that. Okay, and that is the main thing. And time management mostly important. uh, Most probably on try it with sample questions which are available in the Google or anything. Okay, try to do. And if you need any help, you can directly post it on the Telegram. We will be helpful to you. Okay, and that's what. And that's regarding the pseudocode, because of pseudocode only one thing, if you clear the pseudocode, you will be get more confident about the other rounds. Okay, other rounds will little bit easier compared to first round. And most probably first round itself, most of the students will eliminated, because of there is no proper preparation, or else there is no proper guidelines. Okay, so you have to spend that much of time and that much of importance to the questions which
Question
are
both is
easier. And that's what. And if you any questions, please ask me.
pseudo
What? Hello?
exam hall question పంపిస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది సార్.
No, ma.
Exam.
No, ma. You have to.
ఆన్సర్
No, no. You have to write on your own, because these type of exams are completely AI proctored. So when you just turn your face around, the exam will be exited. So please make your exam on your own. Okay. Before that, you can make any practices. Do practice, 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 and the important tip is keep your eye on your running clock. Okay.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఫస్ట్ కంపెనీలో జాబ్ రావాలని రూల్ ఏమి ఉండదు. అలా అని లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు స్కిప్ చేశారంటే ప్రతి ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా అదే ప్రాసెస్ లో రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో ఆ టైప్ ఆఫ్ మ్యూడ్ లోకి వెళ్లకుండా ట్రై చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు రాలేదంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ కి రావచ్చు. మాలో కూడా చాలా మందికి ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ లో వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. ఓకే, సో దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు follow that guidelines and must and should be right in your own. Okay, so that you can understand.
Yeah, one more query.
Have learned skills like that. Okay.
Yeah, Vamsi.
Yeah, one more query regarding the pseudo code. One from that do have a
I will speak about this cutoff.
Skill.
okay. Another one is what will be the cutoff for pseudocode out of 25?
Yeah.
They won't really reveal about it actually.
Ah.
It is around 13 to 16.
No.
It is around 13 marks to 16, but they won't reveal it.
Most
So
probably.
yeah, guys. Any company will not reveal about their cutoff marks because the cutoff depends on your college strength. If the company came on campus, it depends on how many people attempted the test. Okay, they will have some cutoff. We have to select some number of people from this college. So they will the cutoff will vary on that regarding, and most probably each and every company at least they will have 60%. Okay, let us take 30 questions, right? You have 30 questions means 60% means you have to get corrected at least 20 questions. Okay, so any company there will be a cutoff of 60%. It is as per the survey, it's not to be mandatory, right? So it should be at least 60%, and it will vary to 80% also. It depends on your friend's performance also. Okay, got the point what I am saying?
Yeah, another one, Chiru. Sir,
Yeah.
these training questions are enough to practice.
Yeah, sometimes the questions which they have asked in previous year will repeat. Sometimes there will be few new questions. I know many training institutes they will create some practice questions and they will guide you. Sometimes the same question will get in the question paper. Sometimes you can't get that type of difficulty questions. You will get some very basic level questions. It completely depends on the company recruitment team. So they will also follow different institutes. They will not create some new questions. They will also find some different questions from different institutes and they will give some questions. It's your luck. So maybe you will get the same question. Sometimes you will get simple questions, not the difficulty which you have been practiced earlier, and sometimes you will get some difficult question which you have not yet practiced. So it completely depends on the company recruitment team. Okay, I think I answered your question. Yeah, Omsi, you have
Yeah,
any
it's
some yeah. Okay.
Yeah, nothing.
Okay, one more thing. After finishing your behavioral round, within 24 hours, you will be getting the work style report. So you are getting work style report means 99% you have to prepare for the technical and HR interview because both are on the same day. Both TR and HR are on the same day. So prepare well after finishing your behavioral test.
Yeah, Omsi, do you have any queries in your box?
No, Chiru.
No?
The
Anyone?
candidate.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, guys, the audience, do you have any queries? Still you have any queries? Because your exam is on tomorrow, right? Any queries? And yeah, guys, so this is our platform. So you can connect us at LinkedIn, Instagram and Telegram, and for your support will be online today completely. You can post your queries in Telegram group, or else you can also message us at Instagram. We'll give reply within very short time. So we'll give that assurance. If any of your query will be solved very quickly, right? And share this information to your friends also, so that they can also get some doubts cleared. So you can post your queries in Telegram, and also you can post your queries in Instagram. So we'll be the professionals who will answerable for your queries. Okay. So is there any
We all are
queries?
waiting for your
And another guys,
So,
yeah, ma'am.
so guys, after finishing your exam, you will be knowing that you are selected for the technical and HR interview. So please keep us updated in Telegram group. So we will be planning to another session for explaining about the technical interview and HR interview. What will be the questions asking? So please come in touch in Telegram group.
and we
Okay,
are
we can-
going to plan mock interviews to you.
So shall we
who
plan
are
mock
qualified
interviews
and-
for you? So I think this this is the first company for 2022 batch as of now. So many of you are the first people who are going to attempt the real-time interview. So after completion, if any of you people completed this written test, please keep in touch with us via Telegram, or you can also message at Instagram. We'll plan a session for you completely for a HR interview, how the questions and how you have to behave, and we will plan for mock interviews, like individual mock interviews, individual mentor session, right? And I think someone asking one query. So I got some female voice. Is there anyone? So if anyone say, okay, we have got all the issues cleared, so we can close this session, we will close the session. Until that, we will be live here. So anyone? So if your doubts are cleared, all of your doubts are cleared, then we will close this session.
No.
Okay.
Okay, team. All the best for the exam, and please let us know after the completion of your exam, your status of the exam. Please let us know. We will be able to conduct you the interview sessions, as well as for your the special individual mock interviews. Okay, please let us know.
Yeah.
Okay, Chiru.
Yeah. So whatever I have said, those tips, follow. So we are the people who have cleared such type of companies. So we are giving such type of tips for your what we can say, it's a prerequisites for your test, right? Got the point. And please keep it in mind, it's all competitive like exams. So keep your eye on the running clock and make your mind so much focused. So you have to answer any question with confidence, right? So you will have every option very similar type of answers. So you have to choose the right one. You can use many methods, like someone will use hit and miss, someone will use direct, they will read the question 2 or 3 times and they will answer the option, and sometimes they will first read the options and they will go for the question. That's all completely on you, okay? But attempt the questions with so much of focus, confidence and dedication, and you have to sit in a quiet room, okay? There should be no any noise, and uh, keep behind a wall and have some sufficient light, focus on your face, and check all the requirements for the exam before the exam. Check your webcam, microphone, and please charge the laptop. Please completely charge your laptop, because sometimes we'll get power cuts, right? So you should be ready for any of the hurdles what we are going to face during the exam. and keep a water bottle near you. Okay, that's all is these tips whatever I want to give, and what are the what our team of people to express we have given. So if you doesn't have any quiz, we will close this session, and make sure to connect us at Instagram, Telegram, and LinkedIn for more updates on placement drives, mentor sessions, and skill development webinar sessions we are planning from September. And you can also get more technical news and some aptitude reasoning questions which you can be solved. Right, those questions will be asked in your exams also. So please solve those questions. If you have any doubts in those questions, you are easy to comment in that post, or you can message us, so we'll give the answer very shortly. So I think Vamsi, we will close this session, right?
Yeah, Chiru. Thanks for
Kumar,
being here.
yeah, Kumar and Hemsula, do you have any to share?
Yeah, not at. Means that we have to maintain that power issues and the things, because of most of the students are facing these type of issues, most probably, and so that you have to maintain that power constantly. If you have any problem with your within your area, please go with your relatives home or any other home which having full power facility. Okay, and that is the most thing, because of if your power issue happen, then exam will be automatically closed, and it will be last your exam. Okay, entire thing will be uh, closed. Okay, that's what. And the remaining things are, I think everybody knows about all the things whatever happened in the exam. So shall we wind up the session?
Okay, team. All the best. All the best for the exam. Please take a break at least for 5 minutes within each section.
Yeah, you can. Okay, and all the best. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, ma, all the best. So note this, keep it in mind. So if any of you cleared the exam, please keep in touch with us. We'll plan some session on interviews, how to attend the interview and all, and we'll have some mentor sessions like mock interviews, etc. So here, signing off from race team. Okay, have a good day.